forgot to film an intro, so this little Snapchat video is gonna be the little intro. But yeah, so we're gonna get started with my eyebrows already done. So I'm just, applying a base, which is an LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn, I believe. I'm taking the Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm using the shade Butter, and I'm just applying that as a starting base, and I'm using tape so everything can be defined. And I'm taking my BH Cosmetics eyeshadow palette for just about the rest of the tutorial. So you're gonna see I'm just going in with different shades of pink. So now I'm taking like a purplish pink color from that palette, just to darken it more. And I don't really like this palette for real because, I don't know, I feel like it's pigmented, but it doesn't stay, like it blends so easy. I guess that's what you say, it's powdery. So I'm just going in with another pink. But yeah, if you know a different palette that's like colorful, put me on, because I don't really like this one. Now I'm just taking like a brightish, more dramatic type of pink, like a hot pink, I guess you would say. So I'm just applying that to the outside of my eyes. And now I'm just taking a Makeup Revolution concealer, and this is in the shade 1, so I'm using that to cut my crease. And I know I described like where I'm putting my shadows on, like in a weird way. I gotta get put on to the terminology, but that's why it's a tutorial, so you can see. And I was listening to Chris Brown, so yeah. Cutting my crease. I'm not cutting it all the way, it's a little bit more than half. And then right here I'm just setting the crease with loose powder so the colors can go on better. And now I'm taking a yellow and I'm just applying that to wherever there is concealer. So now I'm just taking a little brush and I don't think it's called smoking it out, but I'm just blending the two, the pink and the yellow together, so it'll look good. And I just went back with the same yellow shade on the same brush, and then I put some pink, like that's a Morphe brush, by the way. And now I'm going with a light pink to kind of lighten up where the blended area is. I'm just blending everything together, kind of, sort of, not too harsh though. So I'm done with the eye look now, so I'm taking off the tape so I can get ready to do my face. So now I'm using a Smashbox primer, face primer, and I'm just gonna rub that in. Now I'm using a Becca Aqua Luminous foundation in the shades Warm Honey. So now I'm just highlighting with an LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I think this is in the shade Warm Honey as well. And I don't know how I feel about that concealer. Like, I don't know, I just think it makes me look ghostly. But now I'm contouring with a NYX concealer, and I feel like that's like that color is too dark. But yeah, I don't know. I just need better products. But now I'm just blending everything with a beauty blender. But you're gonna see what I mean. Like, I feel like my contour is too dark for me, but then I feel like my highlight, I just don't know. Like, now I'm using a loose powder, and that's the NYX. It's a NYX loose powder, and I think it's in yellow or banana, something like that. So I'm using the True Complexion, I think that's what it's called. It's by Radiance. And I'm just using that contour palette, and I just used the middle shade that's for the sculpting, and I feel like that's too dark too. So now I'm going in with the random MAC blush that I have, and I feel like that's not even showing up neither. So just put me on to what y'all use for blush. I'm just going crazy.
Go crazy! Ah, go stupid! Ah, go crazy! Go stupid! Ah, go crazy! Yeah! Go stupid! Go crazy! Stupid!
Now I'm taking this Gelato Baked Gelato Swirl highlighter palette, and I'm just using the middle shade, which is Gilded Honey. And I'm using a Morphe highlighting brush. I'm about to highlight my brow bone as well with the same highlighter color. And for my lips, I'm using this Victoria's Secret lip gloss, and it's the Total Shine Addiction one. I'm not sure which one it is. And then I'm going on top with the NYX Butter Gloss.
So baby, you're the greatest.